Hey, the last views didn't work, which we're sorry about. If you're mad, you shouldn't watch this video. If you aren't mad, you should watch it. So I'm Jack again. If I didn't mention that in the last time. Hey, do not south that rock, Carson. Carson is completely out of his mind today, I'm sorry. Well,
you want to get back in the launch position now?
Well, I'm about to get in launch position, and that's all I can tell you. But if you're scared and you don't know where the camera went, you might hear screaming and yelling. And if you're if we're lucky enough, you might even see the parachute go down.
So what do you think, Jack?
It's going to do well.
Do a countdown.